This house hides a creek, a tree, and even the rain within it. All of this in the middle of an ordinary street in Austin, Texas. Instead of shielding itself from nature, this house does the opposite. It invites nature in and builds its entire experience around this direct coexistence. The Constant Springs residence, designed by Alterstudio Architecture, was born from the desire to create a quiet retreat without giving up urban life, a place where daily life unfolds in constant contact with light, vegetation, water, and climate. At arrival, an unexpected element takes center stage. An existing oak tree passes directly through the roof. The wooden ceiling opens up to allow the tree to keep growing, turning what could have been an obstacle into a protagonist. From the very first glance, it's clear that the site was never treated as an obstacle. The topography, the creek at the back, and the existing trees all become active parts of the design. The house is organized around a simple and precise gesture, an H-shaped roof. This element not only defines the building's composition, but also creates intermediate spaces that continuously connect interior and exterior. Instead of closed facades, large glass planes dissolve the boundaries between inside and out. The house does not impose itself on the garden, it blends into it. Architecture does not work around nature, it gives way to it. In the kitchen, a large marble island stretches out as the central element of the room. It is not just functional, it is a sculptural piece that anchors the space and dialogues with the surrounding materials. Here, the house is never static. The interior reflects the same care and precision. The material palette is rich yet restrained. Cedar wood, natural stone, terrazzo, and steel come together in balance, creating sophisticated spaces without excess. Natural light moves gently through the rooms, revealing textures and depth. Nothing is dramatic, everything is intentional. The social areas are organized in an open layout, connecting the living room, kitchen, and outdoor spaces without rigid hierarchies. The space flows, following the rhythm of everyday life. Another opening in the roof allows light, wind, and even rain to enter directly into the interior. These gestures create a sensory experience that changes throughout the day and across the seasons. Throughout the house, spaces always maintain a relationship with the outdoors, whether through direct openings, courtyards, or carefully framed views. Nothing here is accidental. Private areas follow the same logic. Bedrooms are protected and quiet, yet never isolated from nature. The presence of the exterior is constant but controlled. This house does not try to impress with exaggerated gestures. It builds its strength through everyday repetition, through coexistence with time, through the acceptance of the unpredictable, the falling rain, the shifting light, the growing tree. The Constant Springs residence shows that architecture can be less about control and more about coexistence. A project that turns nature into structure, not scenery, and one that proves that sometimes the greatest luxury is allowing a house to breathe with the place where it stands.